Okay guys, so we're going to be doing a little bit of DIY today. I'll show you guys what's up. So guys, what we have here today is the hood latch for the '08 Honda Civic. I'm trying to finish with one. This is the replacement hood latch, got from eBay, and well, we're gonna replace that today. It's broken, so stay with me. So to basically start this process here, we gotta actually remove this line in here to get to here. But to be able to remove this, we gotta first remove this. So I was able to get my star point screwdriver, so gotta remove this first. Then we can take all of this off. Because we gotta get here so we can screw it in. Super simple. So I removed the screw, and so I'm gonna take this off. Bam, it's off. All right, now it's time to take this front piece off. Just simply push back because of how the clips are. And bam, it's off. Let's get to work. Okay guys, so when purchasing this hood latch off of eBay and stuff, see here, what they don't show you is that, well, this is not OEM, so you know, this is the OEM. I guess usually comes black or gray or whatever, but you know, this is fancy. However, when this usually breaks, the OEM usually breaks here, this is this plastic part that's on here. And what they don't show you is, let me get a clearer video, is that there's a plastic that is usually stuck here. It's like, I guess the factory melted off or whatever, and you gotta cut this away to get to the bare metal. So that's what I'm actually doing right now. I have my knife. I'm just trying to, I'm sure there is better tools to get the job done, but I'm using what I have. So get the knife and I'm just cutting away here until I get the bare metal. I'm almost finished. So when this is finished, you'll see the rest. So fortunately for me, after cutting a bit and I was pulling, I realized that I could have pulled it off after cutting here. So that's that. It's off, and this is what the bare metal looks like. So yeah, now it's time to put this on. So it comes with this hex key and 2 screws. I'll show you where that goes. Okay guys, as you can see, the screws go into here, and you just basically tighten that and move on to the next screw. And bam guys, it's been installed. Let me see, heard that it's working perfectly fine. It's just to put this back on and we're good to go. So that's it. Thank you for viewing. Subscribe, like. See you guys in the next video.